Hello everyone, welcome to Buildium tutorial. My name is Jana Cristo. Today's video is about editing the rental application and changing the application fee. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings and to application settings. Look for rental application. And here the section of the application, I have it here open, and the first section is information about the applicant. Each applicant over 18 needs to fill out an application. The next is rental history. The applicant actually can add additional rental history if they have more. And the same about employment, terms and condition. It basically says that if they lie on the application, you may terminate the agreement. And also they give you here, they give you a permission for you to run a background and credit check. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to add a section because you may want to add additional sections. I will show you an example from our website, rentsy.com. You can find a lot of free rental forms here. So I'm gonna go to rental application. This is just an example what you can add and just have a look at it. For example, you may want to ask for proof of income. You may ask a copy of the ID or photo of pets. So what I want to do is just quickly copy this text here about proof of income because I want to show you how to add a section. And what I want to do is add custom section. I'll call it proof of income. And here you can, here I'll paste the text I just copied, explaining what acceptable proof of income IDs are. And here where it says label, I'll call it proof of income. And where it says field type used for, you want to specify attachment because you want them to be able to upload a document. And I will create the section. You can preview the application, but don't forget to publish the changes because otherwise you will not see it in the actual application. So now if I go to the application, I should be able to see the proof of income all the way down here. So the applicant can't upload their proof of income and whatever else you decide to ask them to upload. As I mentioned, use our application to just get an idea of what else you can include in your application. Of course, don't make it so long that it's tedious, but ask everything that you need to ask. Okay, the next thing I want to go over is how to change the application fee. And here you can click on fee. Right now it's free, or when you start, it's going to have a green button in the beginning, in the middle, and it's going to say charge fee. So click on that. And I want to change that. I want to charge $40. And here you go. So now this is global application fee for all of the properties that I manage. You can override it from here. You can just charge different application fees for each property. And I find from my experience that a lot of newer landlords and property managers don't want to charge application fee. I can assure you that the applicants are used to it, and I've seen application fees as high as $80 to $100. So it serves as an additional screening, because if you're charging fee, people with questionable credit, applicants with questionable credit, most likely are going to weed themselves out. So always charge a fee. You can Buildium, when you run a credit check and screening, charges you $15. So you have to be compensated for that. In addition to that, what is your time worth to run this credit? So I feel like between $35 $40 is good. And how you're going to collect this fee, you can here specify if all the fees go in one bank account, or if you're gonna if is going to a specific operating bank account. And since most property managers get the application fees because they do the work, then I will say one. And here you should pick the bank account where it goes to. And if you want to accept online fees by electronic payment or credit card, you have to apply for ePay. This Buildium account is for demonstration purposes only, so there is no ePay. But if you want to at all accept electronic payments, you need to apply. For the basic account, I believe it's $99, and you have to have a business account in order to apply. And I checked cash and money orders, so I will save this. And that's it. Now I can accept not electronic, but I can accept fees for the credit. So if you don't want to apply for the EFT for ePay, what you can do is make the application free. And in that case, the applicants can apply, and you can still run the credit. You're just going to pay yourself for that. And Buildium, at the end of the month, when your monthly payment renews, they're going to withdraw $15 for that credit check that you did. So that's it for the how to change your application and how to start charging application fee. Thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe. This helps this channel and helps me stay motivated to make more videos. Thanks.